Okay. Today, on Animal Farm, we will be hunting for the rare, skinny skeleton. We have been getting reportings of a fat black skeleton that's an alien around here, so we must be very careful. I've caught the alien skeleton once. I have to do it one more. Oh shit. What? Never mind, I'm hearing things, so let's. Fuck. Fuck. What was that? What was that? Can't see it from here. Oh shit. That's the Naga skeleton. Shit. We have to roll. We have to roll. Okay. Stay over here. Fuck. This isn't real. Fuck. Fuck me. Fuck. Okay. Okay. What the fuck? It's on there. We'll cook. It's not time there either. Okay. We cannot find it. We might have to get the fat black skeleton. Where I have to get it. That nagger. Unless we find it on the way. I have to be very careful. Very sneaky. It might bounce. Shit. We've got it. We've got it. Got it. What's your name? Oh god, it's getting angry. Oh, oh my god. Oh shit. Okay. Fuck me. It got away again. Fuck. All I can do now is play this electronic ball game.